Hi, I'm here to talk about a brand new MIDI plugin called FluidPitch by Pitch Innovations. For me as a keyboard player, I do face challenges while playing Indian music on a conventional keyboard. Certain Indian ragas are pretty complex. The notes in the raga or in that scale may not be equally spaced. So in that case, if I am playing the scale and if I am trying to use the pitch bend, which would be set to a traditional +2, -2 bend range, I would face problems. Here's an example. So I'm going to play the notes of an Indian raga called Puryadanashri. Now I'm going to play the same scale using the pitch bend in its conventional setting. So if you observed, the notes were actually going out of the scale. Now here's where fluid pitch comes into action. If you see here, I've inserted fluid pitch on the MIDI insert. So I'm going to open it. Here's the interface. So what happens is, if you see all the white lines, these are the notes that the scale has, which means fluid pitch is going to tell your pitch bend wheel which notes to snap on. So whenever you're playing the scale and whenever you're going to be moving the pitch bend wheel, it's going to snap to these notes. It's not going to really go out of the scale. FluidPitch is definitely one of those leap-through products that a lot of keyboard players like me were waiting for, and finally it is here. One of the coolest things that you can do with FluidPitch is you can actually play chords and also bend chords, so they still remain in the same scale that you're playing in. This is really amazing. I'm really thrilled to share that FluidPitch is the first MIDI FX plugin from India that recently won 2 awards at the MIDI Innovation Awards. I'm really thrilled and excited to use this incredible plugin in my music production and in my gigs, and I hope you are too. Go check out this amazing product and get amazed.